What's going on YouTube? It's your man Cap City Land, back with another video. And today I'm gonna show y'all a side-by-side of my new headlights versus the old headlights. So let's take a look at the old headlights first. So this is the old headlight. See, it's still a one-piece set. I think it's a one-piece or two-piece, I don't know, but it has the amber all the way across and has the, the kind of, I don't know what you call it, but it's not a clear headlight if that makes any sense. But I will be replacing this with an LED style headlight, clear headlight bezel with the chrome backing on it. And I kind of wanted to do like a resto mod look with it, and kind of wanted to keep some originality to it, but I wanted to update it at the same time, if that makes any sense. So let's take a look at what we got so far. So far, first we're gonna start with the bezel. This is a headlight bezel. I actually ordered it off of eBay. I don't know the exact place where I got it from, or the store on eBay that I got it from. I don't remember it, but I did get it on eBay. And both bezels are $75. So for you guys that do have F-250s or Excursions or F-350s by any chance, from the 99 to 2005 range, I believe, they the headlight bezels are pretty affordable, and it's a wide range of different headlights in order to update the look of your truck, or if you want to go with the OEM look. There's a wide range of those different types of headlights, and they're very affordable for those of you who are on a budget and are looking for something that's affordable and something that works. So this is back to the headlight. This is a LED style, like I said. So you got the LEDs on the side, by the side marker, above the side marker, excuse me. And instead of it being just the amber that goes all the way down and across, we have the LED at the top marker, where the top marker is, and you have your regular amber marker, which I'll be using these LED bulbs, and also got a low equalizer, and you definitely need this in order to when you're putting in LED bulbs, just to play it safe, because sometimes you get a flicker, or they'll cut on when they want to or whatever, and this kind of keeps it from as it says on the box, it corrects hyper flashing caused by LED replacement systems. So that's if you have a replacement system. These trucks do not come with LED lights, so a lot of times when we are replacing them, when you're doing updates or whatnot, you gotta get that. Okay, back to the headlight. At the bottom, I do have, it's a clear bezel instead of it going all the way across. With the amber at that bottom part where the park light is, it is clear. And of course you got the headlight part of the bezel, which is clear and chrome. And I went with the chrome because I wanted to keep the OEM look to it a little bit. I didn't want to go, I wanted to go with black at first, but then I was like, yeah, no, I want to kind of do a resto mod style and keep a little bit of the OEM-ish look per se. So that's what I did, instead of just going on all the way through with the black and blacking the whole truck out. And I wanted to be original. There's a lot of black on black Excursions and whatnot out there, so that's why I went with the original. And the best thing about owning a Ford is, there's, like I said earlier, there's so many different styles and types of headlights that you can pick from, whether you got an Excursion, a Expedition, an Escape, Explorer. You can find so many. Okay, now here I have the headlights, and these are the 9007 headlights, LED style. These already come with a low equalizer connected to them, and it helps to kind of dissipate the heat, keep them from heating up, and also keep them from flashing, excuse me. So these were, I got these off of Amazon. They were about I think I got these for about 30 bucks. So it's not bad, 30 bucks, you know. So it's kind of good. We'll see how they work. And moving along, and this is one of the favorites out of the bunch that I got, and it's a LED switchback. So what a switchback system entails is you have, let me pull this out. You have a clear LED, white LED, and you have amber also. If you can see, get a closer look at it. See the clear LEDs on the top and the amber in the middle. And what these do is, say you turn on your turn signal, you have your park lights on, turn on your turn signal, it'll go to the amber. But when your turn signal turns off, or when you turn it off or turn your flashers off or whatever, it'll go back to that clear LED look. And these come with the load equalizer already connected also. And you know, just, you say it's an easy install, but we'll see as we go on. I think this plug right here, yep, this plugs into the factory unit, so should be pretty much an easy job. All right, YouTube, I'm gonna give you a quick side-by-side of both headlights. Here's the factory headlight right here. It is a dual assembly. So you have the park light, you have this one L-shaped piece, and you have the regular headlight up top. So it's a comparison side by side. This is like extremely light compared to this also. They use like a thicker plastic on this one. But let's go around to the front of the truck. As you can see, got one eye out, getting that LASIK done. But yeah, I'm gonna go to the passenger side and point out how I had to remove everything. So right here, let me get my screwdriver. I'm using my screwdriver as a pointer. So you have two screws. You have a screw right here and a screw right here in the bottom, and those are Phillips head screws. You usually loosen those up, and at the top you have have a clip right here. And what I did was I took this flathead screwdriver, stuck it down in the clip, and the clip popped right out. You want to be careful also, because sometimes this plastic can be brittle, so you kind of want to handle it with care. Give yourself a test pull before. Like I kind of did one of these moves before I even did anything, to make sure that the whole assembly wasn't going to crack while doing it. And right here is another clip that same thing. You stick the flathead screwdriver down in there and it pops right out. And then down here we have another Torx screw that we use. On that side, I actually didn't pop this clip out. I used the Torx screw to loosen it up, but I'm probably gonna redo that side. But I used the Torx because it was a little bit easier to pop that out instead of sticking it down here. This is kind of hard with this piece of plastic right here to pop it out, unless you have like a Phillips flathead, excuse me, with a bend in the middle. But down here, there's another, wrong side, I'm sorry. There's another screw right here. It's a torque screw also, torque or star, whatever you may want to call it. And you go use that and loosen it up, and that will actually loosen the whole headlight assembly from the frame. And then once you do that, you give it a nice little gentle tug, and the bottom piece should come out if you give it a tug right about there. And this should actually come out easy. So it's not bad. It took me about 10 minutes to remove it all together. But I'm gonna get to installing the new headlight, and we'll see how that goes.